Hey, good morning guys, Anthony, 4x4 Diesel. I first would like to apologise. I just finished a massive big smoothie for breakfast and I'm burping a little bit, but I need to get this information out there because it's really important. It's to do with the E-jar plate, the 7mm hole, the E-jar thing. Now first I want to say we've got a whole heap of videos on this E-jar solution, 7mm hole, where it goes, how to clean. You know, if you haven't seen it, there's a whole full, I think you need to search full detail E-jar clean. You'll get probably all the information there. Plus there's a heap of other shorter videos that were before and after that. If you watch all the videos, you get maximum information. So what I want to say about the plate is, firstly, it's always best if you buy this plate here directly off Kaon. So kaon.com.au. I'm not sure if they got it on their website. I assume they have. If not, they've definitely got it on eBay. They're $10 delivered to your door, bargain. Best quality plate. There's some reasons why. We're not going to go into that in this video. That's the plate that I would recommend. Now, when I say recommend, I can tell you that these, as I've said in other videos, I can guarantee you they work really well. And because people are asking some questions about, oh, what do you reckon about the plate? You know, what are your thoughts on that? And so I just need to answer everybody instead of having a number of messages there asking the same question. That's why I said, please watch the video. Search E-jar plate 7mm on our channel. Watch the videos till the end, get all the information, and you'll know the answer on my position. Now, when it comes to legalities, I'm not going to comment, well, I'll comment, but I'm not a lawyer, so you can't take it from me whether it's legal or not. I can tell you that if people are still asking, what do you reckon about shutting off or a full blank on the E-jar? What I reckon is, it's a bit irresponsible because the system's there for a reason, the E-jar system. And in theory, it's good because it's better for our health, okay? So you've got to take that into account. By shutting it off and blocking it completely, I reckon it's awesome because your engine's going to be clean, your oil's going to be clean, your engine's going to last longer, it's going to run more efficiently, it's better for the environment because there's less carbon monoxide. So it's rob Peter to pay Paul with what comes out the tailpipe, okay? I'm not going to try and explain that in this video because I am trying to keep it short. You know, we're already at 2 minutes, so I'm guessing about 8 minutes. Stick around. We'll try to keep it short. So, legalities. It depends what state you're in. You need to read up, you know. Obviously, if you know, I can't remember the exact wording, and I have read these things, but if you were to shut it off, block it completely and disable it, stop it from working, it's definitely illegal, okay? There's no doubt about it. And the other point of it is, a lot of people don't care, and who's checking, I don't know. If they had, you know, if they want to do the right thing in life, they're not going to be checking to see this, because if they understand what it's doing to your engine, caking up the intake, all the cost on the environment from the cleaning and labour and on people's health from dealing with this mess, it's more than rob Peter to pay Paul. It's a bad system. It's a bad idea. The AdBlue sort of system might be better because with that you don't need to have an E-jar system. This is to treat nitrogen oxide. But what I'll say, this is what I'm going to tell you, right? It's a flow reduction plate. You're not completely disabling it and stopping it. It reduces the flow enough that your E-jar valve in intake stays clean. The E-jar valve stays alloy in colour. How do I know? Thousands of people have put this plate in. It's generally a DIY thing. So many people have done it themselves, okay? If you want someone to put it in, we might be able to recommend or find someone for you. Just ask the question. It's mainly, look, it's in the VIP group, this sort of information, right? See down here, there's a client group. Don't bother trying to join. Somewhere here, I don't know where it is. Is it there? Did we take it off that list? Oh no, there it is, 4x4 Diesel VIPs, right? You can't join that until you're a client. If you try and join, you're just going to get blocked. So then if you ever do become a client, you won't be able to find the group. So if you've done that in the past and you can't find it, that's why. Now, the information's there on recommended repairers, and you can ask the question there. That way when we answer it, every member sees who our current recommended repairers are, okay? Not in a text message, because general information needs to be on the groups to answer many people. You know, if one person asks the question, others are thinking it. If 10 ask the question, 500 are thinking it. We just need to you ask the question there on the public group, there's the answer. Anyone that's doing their homework properly, they're going to see the answer, okay? I hope you understand. I'm flat out here. I haven't got time to answer messages and calls to everybody. Now, I'll say it again, the best time, if you want to order a parts kit, if you want to order an injector kit, you want to book in your vehicle for a service, get your injectors replaced, anything like that, you need to text me your full name. When I say full name, first name, last name. You know, I've said it before. I've got enough Jim Beam. I've got Jim. I need Jim Beam. I need the last name. If your name's Jack, Jack Daniels or whatever it is anyway. Please text me your full name, the vehicle, Prado Hilux, what year it is, what you need. so I can prioritize getting back to you, and I will get back to you. It's wise if you're on these groups and pages watching what's going on, because they give you the regular updates. If you're a decent, real person and you've got a profile there with a picture that at least maybe shows a Prado or something, then you can even press the friend button, so that way you're connected, right? I'll just move this a little bit for you so you can see, right? Right, there it is. Press Anthony Prado Phobia, that's me on Facebook, right? There's the phone number that you need to text. Don't start texting heaps of questions. Watch the videos. If you text me a question that's in a video, I'm either going to ignore it or I'm going to just say go and watch videos. Guys, please understand, I haven't got time to answer questions that have been asked 100 times before and the information's already out there. Search these pages. Be in these groups depending what vehicle you've got. If you're in Australia, if you're not in Australia, we've got the engine, specifically about injectors and engine group. If you've got the other vehicles, you've got a 1GD, have you? Okay, well, we've got a group for that. We've got a 1KD group, a 1KZ group, 1GR group, okay? That's enough for now, isn't it? We've got 2 YouTube channels, right? One is for the automotive information like this, and one is for if you want to learn about how to use your four-wheel drive, places in the Australian outback, all sorts of, like it says, touring information, but also vehicle use, driving, when to use, maybe when to use lockers, when to use center diffs, when not to. To me, that's more this channel than the mechanical side. There may be a bit of a mix here or there, and I might get it wrong. So the other day I made a video to do with the rear door. I don't think I've released it yet, but it's maintenance on the rear door, you know, where all the dust and all the rubbing and all that sort of thing. It's actually uploaded on both channels. I don't know which one to release it on because it's kind of and I don't want to put it on both, but maybe I will. Anyway, the point is you need to be subscribed on both with the bell on so you get all this up-to-date information, and there's going to be plenty more coming your way. The plan is, if I can put myself out of business working on cars, that means I make more videos, more information for you, and just including heaps of awesome information. I want to find more recommended repairers, places we can recommend that can do the work right, and we want to get them busy, we want to get the work into them. Only the people that are listening is going to get that information, so the people that are doing their homework are listening, subscribed, and they're all over it. They're going to pick up later on in that video, because I'm not going to put it at the start. See the people that are still around now, 7 minutes? They're the ones that are going to get the information. When you're there after 20 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, right? That's where I'm going to slip in all the little, you know, bits of information. All right, guys, I'm just about done, I think. So the plate, a couple other things people have asked lately. Isn't it going to block up? No, it's not going to block up. That's why it goes at the start of the EJAR cooler at the head end, not the EJAR valve. A number of people have been making the mistake or assumption lately that this goes under the EJAR valve. Incorrect. You may have problems. It's not going to line up. You could have leaks and all sorts of things, okay? So no, that's not where it goes. Excuse me, smoothie. A bit of smoothie in the throat still. COVID-19. No. Anyway, guys, I've got the phone ringing now because somebody didn't watch enough videos and he's got questions. So I'll quickly answer it, and if that's what it is, then I'm going to say, mate, I've got to go, and you need to watch the videos. All right, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe, turn that bell on, give us the thumbs up for the info, and I'll come back to you with more informative videos soon. Take it easy. See ya.